welcome back again to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is my son Michael. And as you can see, Ginger's right there because she's always wiggling that tail thinking that we're making something extraordinary. But anyways, I went to the store, guys, and you know how it is, you know. Not a lot of people have a lot of money and stuff. So, you know, these at the supermarket, they're for $1. But depends on where you go. Like, you can get these at Walmart, like 6 for $1. And you can actually go to the dollar store and get these like 8 for $1. Now, one of these makes 2 quarts of Kool-Aid, which is actually 8 cups. You understand? So what I did was I put not 2 quarts, but I put like 6.5, right, Michael? Like 6.5 cups of water. So instead of 8 cups, I put like 6.5 cups of water, okay? And it says 8, but I like to make it a little bit less watery because I'm gonna add ice, and I got these pretty things. When I buy them, they come marmalade comes in here like grape jelly and stuff like that. And then after they're empty, I wash them and I use them as jars. They're very, very handy, guys. And you know what? It does the job. So here we go. So this is the water, and I'm gonna empty this out here like that. And then we're gonna take the spoon and start moving. Wow, look at that, Mike. How much? And it says to put a whole cup of sugar, but I'm only gonna put half a cup because I think a cup is too much. What do you think, Mike? Yeah. So I'm gonna move it. So like I'm saying, guys, okay, so that was 25 cents for that one. I bought 4 of them. Oh, it smells.
That's strawberry,
when
guys.
I was a little girl. This one is the strawberry flavor. And here we go, 25 cents. Okay, I'm gonna still see what I'm doing here, guys. Moving this really good. And while I'm moving, that's what I did was I went in the freezer and I got some crushed ice. Because most of the freezer, they have the whole cube ice and also the crushed ice. I like putting ice in my drinks because it makes everything like more pretty. Hold on a second. And kind of like better. I can do this faster by doing this. Right, Mike? There you go. That's number 2. And let me see that one, Michael. That last one over there. Let me see that. And here we go. There you go. Wow. There you go. That's the Kool-Aid, guys, that I got in my hands. It got my hand on ice. So this is what I'm talking about. So 25 cents. Here we go. And 8 cups of water. I didn't want to put on the water, and 1 cup of sugar. That's all you need. I didn't want to put on the sugar, and I didn't want to put. This is what you're going to do. You're going to serve it. And here we go. That's 1. And the crushed ice just makes it like more nicer and pretty. And then with this hot weather, you can just like serve it to your kids or friends that come over. And it's something very cheap. And you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can serve it like in a wood thing. If you want to, you know, you can put 1 straw. You can put like different colors, you know, so they can look pretty. Let's put a blue one here. And what do you think, Michael? And not red. I say it an orange because that was red. And I think I'm going to change that pink one for a purple one so it doesn't clash with those colors. And here we go, guys. Very inexpensive drinks for the summertime because it's so hot out there and we have to cool off somehow, right? And that way you don't have to spend a lot of money. It's something very easy. You just put it in your container. And remember that for each envelope, you can do 8 cups. 8 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. I just put half a cup of sugar. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy these, and you can make them very pretty however you want, and they're easy to serve and very low money that you gotta pay to keep yourself nice and fresh. So anyways, well, this is very good, delicious. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Look us up on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Where else are we, Michael?
Patreon.
On YouTube, and also Patreon if you want to donate $1 or not. Just scroll down, guys.
Tumblr.
Click, and I will take you directly to the link, and you can donate $1, $2, or you don't have to donate at all. We still love you. I hope this will be good for a lot of people. They can actually use it to for their kids or for people when they come over to visit, and they're very pretty. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Don't drink and drive, and stay safe.